Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to get a refund on Klarna. Open the Klarna app or visit the Klarna website. Sign in with your account details. And when you're done, navigate to the payment section, then select order or item you want a refund for. Now tap or click Report Return to notify Klarna that you've sent items back. Follow the store's return policy closely. Klarna only processes refunds once the store confirms. Enter the tracking number and return date into the Klarna app or website, and then keep proof of postage until your refund is complete. The store must confirm the return or cancellation, and Klarna will pause or cancel any related payments. Refunds are sent to your original payment method, and processing may take up to 14 days, depending on the store and your bank. Check the Klarna app or your email for updates on the refund status. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.